I was diagnosed in October of 2011. I had been married for 5 months, so it was bad timing. And in the beginning, it's all a whirlwind. There's so much happening. You don't really understand what's going on. You're scared. And I found out during all of this that I was stage 4 from the get-go. But I did chemotherapy, I did radiation, had surgery, obviously, and I was actually cancer-free for 5.5 years. That doesn't mean I got to stop treatment. I did have hormone therapy and immunosuppressive therapy during that time, and then it came back, and I started new chemo. So now I'm just kind of in the stage where I try chemo out, and if it works, it works, and I stay on that train until it's done, and when it's done, I switch to another one. Dr. Trehan always told me that stage 4 breast cancer is kind of like a chronic disease, like diabetes. It's something you just have to treat the rest of your life. So a lot of people hear that I've been doing chemo for 10 years, and they're like, oh my God, that's terrible. It's really not. I mean, to me, it's just a new way of life. I've always had a great support system of friends, and the doctors that I work for have been wonderful. And honestly, the people at the Aultman Cancer Center have been like a second family to me. I've been there so many times that, they named a day after me. It's Kelly Crawford Thursday. So I've had a lot of support throughout the whole journey. When you're first diagnosed, allow yourself to feel all the feelings because they're normal. You don't want to bottle them up. But once you're done with that, just have a positive attitude. I think positive attitude really goes a long way. It's a journey, and I think I don't know what anybody else's experience is going to be, but I feel like I've gotten stronger through it.